It's Sunday, and you have stuff to do around the house. So you go to Home Club to get a few things, but something seems different. They still have everything you need. They still have friendly salespeople and great low prices. But something's definitely changed. And then...
That dense black smoke?
I cannot tell at this point. It looks like it's righted Vermont, and that would be 7th Street. This would be 6th in Vermont. But there are two fires. There's one of the reasons we have the wide base. Two fires.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
On both sides of the corner. And that I would
This is not a test. This station is conducting a vital announcement. This is not a test. This is the emergency broadcast system covering the Los Angeles metropolitan area. This is not a test. Local city officials have authorized the following announcement. Evacuate the city of Los Angeles immediately. As a result of the pale virus riots across the city, a group of rioters have broken into the Thunder Science Research Laboratory. Samples of the experimental latex samples within the laboratory have escaped containment and have started to infect the public. If you see any anthropomorphic latex creatures, do not attempt to approach them. They are considered highly dangerous and can infect you or any people around you. Infection can't be exemplified by the individual being slowly consumed by an experimental material which resembles the properties of a goo-like substance. When infected, human consciousness is lost. Do not touch the goo. Do not approach anyone who has become infected. Evacuate immediately and travel at least a distance of 100 miles away from the city of Los Angeles. This message will now terminate and repeat in 10 minutes.